raised on the land. So when I say please step away, I know you'll understand. You got two tusks up front for fighting or digging in the dirt, so you can see how easily you'd end up getting hurt. Get out of the